Dear future self, as I sat down to write this, I can't help but think about you. Where are you right now? What kind of person have I become? I wonder if I've lived up the dreams I have in my heart today, or if the path I've chosen has led me something completely unexpected. So I guess that's one of the things I'm still learning. The future is uncertain, but it also something I have the power to shape. Right now, life feels like a bit of whirlwind. I have moments where I feel like I'm making progress and others where it all seems too overwhelming. Sometimes I question whenever I'm making the right choice, whenever I'm working hard enough, or even on the right track at all. But I'm telling you this future self because I need you to remind that every decision, every step, even the mistake are part of the process. I know I look back and see how all these pieces fit together to create something meaningful. But for now, I'm trusting in the journey. I hope by this time you're reading this, I've become more than I am today. I hope that the doubts I'm facing now have faded, replaced by confidence and clarity. I hope that I learn to embrace change even when it feels uncomfortable, that been brave enough to take risks and follow my passion, even the road seemed uncertain. Imagine that you're grown into someone who is stronger, kinder, and more patient, not just others, but myself too. So, future self, when you read this, remember that I'm doing my best right now. I'm working hard, I'm dreaming big, and I'm learning every day. I may not know exactly where I'll end up, but I know that the journey will be worth it. And when I look back at this time, I hope to feel proud of how much I've grown until we met.